Step 1. Plastic bags on a clean surface. Next, cut them into thin, uniform strips to create your weaving. Gather your strips, you're ready to start building. Knot your strips together plastic yarn. Using a large wooden hook, begin your foundation chain. It's easier than it looks. Work in simple rows. Watch the pattern emerge. To finish, weave in your final strips for a clean, secure edge. And there it is, a durable, waterproof rug made entirely from waste. Information Nation for more upcycling tips. Once your strips are cut, you're ready to start building. Loop the strips together and begin crocheting your mat. It grows quickly. And there it is, a beautiful, eco-friendly mat from waste. Give it a try and subscribe for more. First, gather about 30 to 50 clean plastic bags. Flatten them out completely and stack them neatly. Cut off the handles and the bottom seam. Then, slice the remaining tube into equal strips to create these plastic loops. Don't throw those plastic bags away. Today, we're upcycling them into a durable, colorful doormat that's perfect for your home.